railway exam, NTPC questions, check the date and the shift also. It is 98 previous year railway questions in our channel. After deducting a commission of 10% on a marked price of a TV and the cost is 9090 rupees. What is the marked price? Initially I am taking marked price as 100 rupees. After giving 10% discount means 100, 10% discount is 90. These 90 is equal to 9090. Here calculate the market price, that is for 100 it is how much? 100 into 9090 by 90. 00 cancel, it is 101. 10100 is your answer. First option. My intention is solving the problem in a smart way, but look at the options carefully, answer the question and like the video and subscribe my channel. It is encouraging me to do more number of bits. Thank you.